Do you want to make your smart home even smarter with a smart lock connected to your smartphone? Well, you are now smart enough to control your smart lock from anywhere in the world using a Wi-Fi connected smart lock. Wow, that's great. But what are the best Wi-Fi smart locks that we can use? There are many smart locks in the market, but today's review is about one of the best smart locks, the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. August Wi-Fi Smart Lock 4th generation is the #1 smart lock with built-in Wi-Fi. So, you don't require an additional bridge to connect. Now, you can upgrade your deadbolt with this. Don't worry about who's coming and going to your home. The August Smart Lock allows you to see who's coming and going. This is the best smart lock in Australia, Canada, and the United Kingdom. You can even control it with your favorite voice assistant. Also, it is easy to install and attach to your existing deadbolt. Moreover, its simple, clean design is very useful as it fits any home style. Control your doors using the August app from your iPhone or Apple Watch from anywhere. And, it partners with the leaders in smart home technology like Alexa, Siri, Google Assistant, and more. You may get the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock from Amazon for $179.97 via the link below in the desk box. So for those who are thinking of the advantages and disadvantages of the August lock, here I have done a table to make it clear for you. So now you know what are the advantages of the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. Let's dig deep for more features of the lock. Technical specifications. So what are the smart features other than the technical specifications? Door Sense. Door Sensor is one of the useful features that only August door locks have. So, you can know your door status, whether your door is securely closed and locked without any stuff. Smart Alerts. You can get a smart alert if anything changes with the status of your door. Also, you can customize smart alerts to notify you. Lock and Unlock. The auto-locking feature automatically locks your door once it is closed, and the auto-unlocking feature automatically unlocks it once it is opened or after a preset amount of time. August can know when you have returned home using geofencing. So, you'll never have to worry anymore whether your door is locked or not. Many ways to access your door. Now, you can access your door with smartphone, August keypad, Apple Watch, or you can keep your original key. By using the August app on your smartphone or Apple Watch, you can easily manage or control your door. Unlimited control. If you want to control your front door from anywhere, the August Smart Lock facilitates you to control it anywhere with your phone. Remote access is one of the easiest ways to control your door. It can be done by the August app. So, it lets you remotely control or secure your door when someone forgot to lock your door. You can send secure keys to anyone you wish and manage access from the August app. And also, there is an August activity feed on your app to see what time guests enter and leave your home. You may get the August Smart Lock, 3rd generation from Amazon for $98.97 via the link below in the description box below. So, what are the August models that are in the market? Let's have a look at it whole. So we know now the whole new and interesting features of the August lock. You may now interested to see how to install this lock. Let's see how. The August Wi-Fi Smart Lock has an easy installation process as it takes less than 10 minutes to install. It can be simply installed on the inside of your door over your existing deadbolt. Also, you can leave your outside lock alone and keep your existing deadbolt and keys. Don't worry about August door lock compatibility. It is compatible with most single-cylinder deadbolts. Its retrofit design makes them easy to install without replacing your existing deadbolt. Download the August app available on iOS or Android. There's a helpful guide to follow. It contains animations to walk you through the process. Special tips to follow. Be sure your door closes well before beginning the installation process. You had better make sure the deadbolt moves freely. Check your Wi-Fi connection and make sure you have a good Wi-Fi connection. Keep your screws organized. What deadbolts are compatible with August Smart Lock? Many types of single-cylinder deadbolts are compatible with August Wi-Fi Smart Locks. By now only August Smart Locks are compatible with these single-cylinder deadbolts also. The August Wi-Fi Smart Lock is compatible with Yale flat-round single-cylinder deadbolt. However, isn't compatible with Mortise locks, double-cylinder deadbolts, multi-lock or single-sided deadbolts, and Medeco deadbolts. Here's the list of ASSA ABLOY, Zentek and Yale branded deadbolts that are compatible with August Smart Locks. Alright. Now we know a lot. So, interested in buying an August Wi-Fi lock? Surely you want to know the prices of them. Here we go with the details. Oh, the prices are all fair it seems. So finally, is August Wi-Fi Smart Lock safe? Encryption. August Smart Lock encrypts data securely with Bluetooth Energy Technology encryptions and TLS in your mobile application. Authentication. If you expect added level of security, you can verify your identity with a second form, either a phone number or email. Lost phone. You can disable your August app quickly and easily when something happens to your phone. And you can also disable all virtual keys at any time. Biometric verified access. With this new feature, you can lock and unlock your door using your fingerprint or facial verification. So, it provides extra security for your doors. So we recommend you this August Wi-Fi lock. And if you're looking for a Wi-Fi smart lock, this August Wi-Fi Smart Lock puts smarts at your door without replacing your deadbolt. Anyone who wants a smart lock, but wants to keep your exterior hardware traditional, this August Smart Lock is for you. It is a bit expensive, but you won't have to spend any extra money on a Connect module. Further, if you love August Smart Locks, this is a perfect choice as it is easy to install and packs a ton of features into its compact frame. See more, Apple HomeKit HomeKey compatible locks, and Code Me Smart Home Products app to know more about smart home related products, best price deals, full reviews, feature comparisons, and many more. If you want to know more about best HomeKit compatible devices, you can find the best devices link in the below description box.